Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and upload music to SoundCloud. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for SoundCloud. Once you've done that, click on the first link and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and upload is click on this upload button right over here. And now once you've done that, simply go ahead and choose a file right over here. As you can see, it's going to ask you to go ahead and level up with an artist plan. However, that is not something that you require in order to upload. Just click on continue without a paid plan and you should be set. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and choose your file that you want to simply go ahead and upload, or the music file, right? After you've uploaded your file, all you need to really do is just go ahead and add your title, your description, your album cover, your genre, and so on. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.